fire in the quarterfinals.
Steal by Perez. Perez takes it
here we
away.
go.
Perez will fly and score.
And he's such a key player for San Miguel. Sitting down Jalen Jones. Kasi masyado
Amputated no? Hindi rin makadepensa
Yeah, tsaka
Oh.
we were talking about this guy, CJ Perez. He's making a difference right now. And
Nako. Sino yung
man down.
Menasico ata. Si Gio ang buhot yata ito.
That's right, the boat is down. Now the referees are going to check. Yeah, they were able to see it. At makita natin kung ano nangyari dito.
Ayun, may Trolliano was trying to armbar. He was claiming also tinamaan din siya sa leg.
Flagrant foul penalty 1 on Don Trolliano. He'll sit down for 3
Yeah,
minutes.
because he threw. Look, watch here. Number 2, right there.
That was a smack coming from Trolliano.